Hey, so question for you. Did you know that you ever had that feeling where you know you have to get something done and it's like top priority? Maybe it's like client work or something like that, or you're a blog post that needs to get written, creating content, but you keep avoiding it and you keep putting it off. And maybe you're scrolling on Facebook, checking email, doing all these things, right? Instead of actually doing the work at hand. Tell me if you've ever been there, because trust me, you're not alone. This is actually something a lot of people go through. But you want to know how you actually get through those moments where you're not really like feeling productive, you're not really feeling focused, so you can actually get ish done. We're talking about that today. Hey, Katie. I'm Rachel Ngom. I work with female entrepreneurs to help them monetize their passion and live out their purpose. A book that I read is called The 12-Week Year. Who has read The 12-Week Year? And so by following this system, what you do is instead of setting yearly goals, you break them down to quarterly goals, and then you have so much more urgency, and then you break that down to monthly goals and then weekly goals, and then every day it's okay, this is the one specific thing that needs to happen to take me closer to that 12-week goal. So that book is incredible. Highly recommend.